Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I am so excited. I have never been this excited for a makeup launch ever in my entire life. And based on the title, you already know what it is. Today, I'm gonna be doing a first impression slash try on slash lip swatches video of the new. So guys, sorry, excited talaga ako kasi I'm such a fan of the brand. So this is the new Sunnies Face lippies and I just got this kagabi. Tapos sabi ko, matutulog ako ng maaga pero hindi naman nangyari. Pero sabi ko, matutulog ako ng maaga para ma-film ko yung review. Pero still, medyo late ako ngayon. Sorry pala kung shiny yung mukha ko. Sobrang init sa Pilipinas. If you guys don't know what Sunnies Face is or kung saan siya nag-originate, it originated from the brand Sunny Studios, which of course, sobrang sikat niya. I have so much respect for the brand kasi they started out as like a clothing company. Alam ko, I remember meron silang branch sa Charlie. Sunnies by Charlie pa sila, if I'm not mistaken. Ay, sobrang OG talaga ako dun. Tapos parang may mga clothing pa sila or something. And then, they became an eyewear brand. So, they started out with Sunnies and then they came out with Sunnies Specs. Tapos meron silang Sunnies Specs Kids. And then, they came out with a restaurant, which is called Sunnies Cafe. And now, moving on to a new venture, which is makeup and cosmetics. And it's gonna launch the FLUFFMATTE on August 8th at 9 PM on their website. Yung ano ko pala, tabi niya siya. Pero ayan, meron silang Instagram page and the Instagram page is just amazing. It reminds me so much of like Milk or Glossy, those brands. As in, meron silang aesthetic na very similar. The first product Sunnies Face is launching is called the FLUFFMATTE. It's a lipstick. So, ito yung PR package yung binigay nila sa akin. Kagabi, meron akong name. Thank you naman. Super feeling ko parang ang special ko kasi sobrang fan ako ng Sunnies. When you open up this PR kit, and I wish they would sell this in a PR kit talaga kasi sobrang ganda niya. Mababalanda sa inyo ito. So, meron silang parang note card and everything. Just has their signature and everything about the FLUFFMATTE. So, basically, it says the FLUFFMATTE are 9 universally flattering shades of creamy matte lipstick formulated to suit every skin tone. These are... Ayan siya. So, as you can see, it's got a wide variety of colors. We have nude, we have a pink, we have kind of red and corals and everything in between. So, 9 shades para sa akin, it's a really good starting point when you're creating a makeup line and you're starting to just see if people are gonna like it. 9 shades is the perfect in between for me. This is how the box looks like. It's got a logo of a face that's illustrated on the front. Tapos, ayan siya. And then, di ko kasi masyado makita. We have the logo here, and we have everything you need to know, and then we have the shade name on top. Outer packaging, wala akong masabi. Sobrang well thought out ng packaging. Ang ganda ng illustration and everything. I feel like I want to keep the box. Alam niyo, may mga boxes na sobrang ganda na gusto mong i-keep. Let's talk about the price really quickly. These will retail for 345 pesos. Confirmed on the Sunnies Face Instagram page kasi nag-check talaga ako. Looking at it, if you're gonna tell me that it's 345, I'm definitely gonna be more interested in it because to me 345 for a lipstick isn't that bad. So these are the lipsticks and now I'm excited. I'm gonna try out one of the shades tapos dun na tayo sa lip swatch. So the first shade that I'm gonna try is called Nudists and this is supposedly the lightest color. And yeah, the packaging, the pinaka-packaging, the component of the tube looks amazing. It's got this kind of nudish, beigey packaging. I love it. Wala naman masyadong nakasulat dyan, which I like. And then the logo is on the top most part of the lippy, which is genius. Hindi siya nakalagay yung logo here. When you open the lipstick, this is what you see. And this is everything you get when you purchase a bullet. This is how the lippy looks like. Very powdery matte siya. And nabasa ko din sa comments, meron siyang powder coating. Super matte niya. So, di ba may mga ibang lipsticks na parang medyo shimmery pa yung pinaka-finish ng bullet. Ito super matte, as in sobrang matte niya. There's nothing on my lips right now. Wala akong moisturizer or anything. And medyo chapped din yung lips ko. So, let's see how this works. Angels are singing. Oh my god. This is like one swipe sa bottom. Wala pa akong nilagay sa taas. I just kind of press my lips together para magkaroon ng color sa taas. And so far, I'm in love. It's very lightweight. First impressions. I don't want to say I'm obsessed because ganyan naman talaga, diba? Bakit ka naman? I want to say I'm impressed. Okay, I'm impressed. Sobrang pigmented niya. So, tipong konti lang kailangan mo. Tapos, as you can see, coated na yung dalawang lips ko. And parang okay na ako. I'm alright with this amount of a lipstick. It's giving me like graded Korean-esque lips. And I love that. It feels like nothing. It feels like kind of velvety butter on the lips. I love it. So, now we're gonna try to build it up. feels like butter on the lips. Not greasy butter, but velvety butter, like smooth, creamy goodness. And it's very, very matte. Definitely matte. There's no shine to this lipstick, but it's not a drying matte. So it's very comfortable. I would say it's like a velvety matte. Alam mo yung tipong gusto mong ganunin yung lips mo? Kasi parang, it feels very melty, but it's not greasy whatsoever. Very even application, very pigmented on one swipe. I'm gonna try to swatch this right here. This is what you get with one swipe. And if you build it up, this is what you get. It's very, very buildable, but I don't really think you need to because it's very pigmented off the bat. The reason why I don't sound or look surprised is because I expected this from this lipstick. I was seeing like swatches and everything, and I knew immediately that this formula would be bomb. It's so nice and even. And even though I have cracks on my lips, it's not emphasizing those. It almost like blurred my lines and made my lips look younger looking and not as kind of flaky and dry. As for the color Nudists, it's the perfect nude that's not gonna wash you out. Diba may mga nudes na parang nakakamukhang patay or nakakamukhang parang sobrang putla? This is not a putla nude. This is a perfect in-between nude that I feel like it's gonna suit a lot of skin tones, because on me, it's really like my lips look better just in between. It's not too warm, it's not too cool. Even Morenas can wear this kasi hindi siya light nude. I love this color. So far, Nudists is definitely a win. I'm impressed. I'm in love, I'm impressed, but I'm definitely not surprised. I kind of expected this kind of quality coming from Sunnies Studios and coming from the brand, kasi nga I know that the owners really put a lot of effort into making their products, so I really didn't expect less, honestly. Anyway, para hindi masyadong matagal yung video natin, I'm gonna be lip swatching the rest of the colors, and I'm gonna be telling you at the end of this video kung consistent pa yung formula and which is my favorite shade. So let's go! Though is beautiful. It's dark, but it's not deep dark, you know. It's still wearable. It's a wearable dark. My god, this is so pretty. And if I'm feeling bold that day, I would wear this. Absolutely. thoughts on these bullet lipsticks. Akit natin to kasi masyado akong na-shook eh. I am so shocked. I am absolutely impressed with this brand, and I can see, or I can tell na they're going the right direction. I love everything about this lipstick. There's nothing wrong, I could say. The price point is great, the packaging and everything, the thought they put into it is great. The color selection is fabulous, as in, kung tatanungin niyo ako, first time kong sasabihin to guys kung tatanungin niyo ako, wala akong favorite sa collection na to. Everything is my favorite. Literally everything. If I just want to grab and go, I would grab any color in this line and feel good after wearing it. Walang tapon sa collection na to. The formula, I'm happy to report that it's very consistent from the nude colors to the more purpley shades and to the red shades. When you do a light layer, it's gonna give you like a blotted cream effect, and when you do like the full swipe, it's gonna give you that juicy, liquid lipstick effect. So it's very versatile in that way because you can wear the colors blotted kung sobrang takot ka, especially with the darker shades or the reds. If takot ka na sobrang mas matingkad yung lips mo, you can wear it in a very sheer way and it still would look beautiful. But if you're bold, you can wear it like full opacity and it still would look beautiful. If I could describe this lipstick line, I would describe it as very foolproof. It sets a standard for upcoming lipstick releases. If lipsticks aren't as good as this for the price, hindi ko na alam kasi sobrang ganda nito na parang ito lang pwede na tipong I'm so in love. I feel like this is one of the best released lipsticks in the local makeup scene, if not the best. It just sets a standard. Like, upcoming makeup lines and upcoming brands should release better lipsticks. Yeah, this sets a standard for the lipstick community. This lipstick you need in your makeup collection. I don't care if you're on a budget, I don't care if you're a makeup pro, if you're a makeup lover, or if you're a beginner, you need one of these in your life. There's a color for you, guaranteed. This is A+, comparable to high-end lipsticks out there, comparable to MAC, even NARS lipsticks, just amazing quality. This is the dream lipstick. This is everything you want your lipstick to be. So brands, take note. Take note. A+ on these Sunnies Face Fluff Mattes. They're fluffy, they're matte, they're delicious. Of course, hindi naman to sobrang long-lasting kasi hindi sila liquid lippies. So they don't really like set and stay and put for like 12 hours. I can't attest to that, but I feel like these are gonna be very long-lasting, enough for a lipstick, a bullet type lipstick, since it's very matte and dumidikit talaga siya sa lips, so hindi siya mabilis matanggal. So yeah, you guys, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and review. Let me know in the comment section down below kung bibilhin niyo yung shades and kung ano yung favorite shades niyo from the Sunnies Face Fluff Mattes. That's everything. If you want to keep up with what I do, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, follow me on my social media accounts listed down below, comment below what you want to see next from my channel, and I'll be seeing you guys on my next one.